Wouldn't it be great if you knew the exact topic to make a video about, right? The one topic that everyone on YouTube would come and watch. And your business would get all this attention because you knew the one video, the right topic at the right time. That's the goal, right? But it never is quite that easy. And we're going to show you today how to find some good topics, even if they aren't the most popular topics in the world. Welcome to Hey.com. My name is Dane Golden. I'm here because I love helping businesses and marketers like you grow your customer community through helpful how-to tips. Well, what should you make a video about? That's the most simple question, right? What is the topic? Well, it's not that easy to find out sometimes, and some people can make a video about nothing and it does really well, and you're like, how do these people do that? I want to do that same thing. Maybe you make a video about the same topic and nobody watches it. YouTube is very fickle. But what I focus on is helping companies grow customer communities by doing regular how-to videos about things that they know how to do and they want to share, and by sharing they grow a customer base. So if you want to do that, then what topics do you do? Well, the most basic thing you should think about is, what is your expertise? What do you know about? And I don't mean what you're selling, I mean what you know about, which is probably larger than what you're selling. Now, topics also go together with the title, of course. The title is embedded into the topic, and also thumbnails, right? They all go together as a clickable unit. And there's a whole science to that. I've made some videos about thumbnails and titles here, and you can click on those. So you have an overall topic that you want to talk about, right? A general thing you're an expert in. If you share that and people are searching on that, they will know you're an expert, and ideally over time they'll want to do business with you. But what about the subtopics within that? Well, you can make a list of things, maybe 20 or 50 possible topics you could cover, and then you could start searching on YouTube and seeing what happens. But I'm going to tell you a secret, because if you do a search and you just type in the word, you'll get the autocomplete, right? It's the autocomplete you see in Google, you see in YouTube, and it finishes what sentence you've started typing. Well, that gives you a clue, because if you don't hit return, you'll see a list of things that people are looking for that start with that word. And that's very helpful because they're in order of how much people search for them. You also get to see, when you do the search, what types of videos are coming up. And that's very helpful too. And you're like, oh, well, I could make a video like that. But also it's important to know that if you're a small channel, even if you make a video, you may not get ranked for something. And it's also important to know, if you're a big channel, you also might not get ranked for something. There's something called relevance, and YouTube looks for a relevance. If your channel is an expert in some sort of topic and you make another video about that topic, it's more likely to be ranked, at least for a certain time, about that topic. All of these factors come into play, but it's important to know simply that you need to find topics that you're good at talking about and good at sharing and teaching about, and then drill down and find those subtopics that you also know about and that people are searching for. Now, there's tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy and Morning Fame, and I'll have links to those in the description, that you can use to further narrow down and find words that people are maybe searching for that aren't have a lot of results on. Those are very good for you, and a lot of other factors. So these are good tools, but that autocomplete is a good way to start, and a brainstorming session is a good way to start on topics. So I've made another video for you to watch. It's right here. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video.